Well, I'm Jenny and this is Di.
This is Di.
And we're making the panel for the tea rooms, a copy of Margaret MacDonald's gesso panel.
We're both artists and we're doing a version, I think that's the way to describe it, a version, because it is actually impossible to do a copy of a Margaret MacDonald Macintosh gesso panel unless you do what they did. What they did is they did a mold. By making a mold in that way, then they could do duplicates. And there's no way that we would be even allowed to touch the original in Kelvin Grove Art Gallery and Museum because it's in an incredibly delicate state.
Well, first of all, we make the gesso itself, which is made from plaster of Paris and rabbit skin glue, basically. There's two things. So the first thing is to make the plaster of Paris lose its hydraulic properties, they call it, which is setting underwater. You just put it underwater and it sets almost instantly. When that's done, you can strain it through jelly bags and you end up with a wet mass, which we can then use straight away, mix it with rabbit skin glue. And then when you want to make it, you can use that, mix it with the rabbit skin glue, add some whiting for bulk. So that's the first thing, is to do the base. And then the drawing is put on with the tracing, and trace it onto the gesso, and then follow the lines with the what we use now is an icing gun.
Oh, I think it's absolutely wonderful.
To have tea there, I mean, there's nowhere else quite like it. You know, there's nowhere else in the country that you could go and have tea like that. Well, I would say they're very lucky, because from what I've seen of it, it's going to be magnificent.
Oh, it is.
I think it'll be a great success.